Hey folks, Josh here at Wild Prairie Harley-Davidson coming to you with another accessorized 2021 model. This one is the Electra Glide Standard here. Starts out just below $20,000 MSRP here from Harley-Davidson. So a nice affordable touring bike here, but everybody loves that classic Harley sound. So we figured what a better platform than taking that 107 motor, giving it a little bit more oomph to it. So we decided to put the Stage 1 air cleaner on here, retaining the factory look here, just with the Stage 1 guts behind it. We actually did change out the head pipe to a Harley head pipe here that is a little bit more free flowing here as well too. It's still warranty compliant. And then we capped it off here with a nice set of Khrome Werks mufflers. Maybe the nice chrome with the black tip on there. Just adds a little something to the bike here. I think it looks good. It looks great here. But let's hear how it sounds for you. We'd love to hear your feedback on what you think of the sound of that. I think the Khrome Werks mufflers are one of my favorite here because it just adds just a nice sound. It's not obnoxiously loud or anything like that. By no means are we trying to advertise it's the loudest pipe out there in the market. We know that's probably not going to happen. For a slip-on muffler, that's going to be something from Tab Performance. But Khrome Werks adds a great sound here. You're not going to be annoyed with it. You can still hear the radio when you're going down the road. You're not going to be the annoyance of the group or anything like that. I think it just adds a nice classic sound to the bike. You're going to always be hearing it as well too. And it adds for good performance, and not only that, a good look to cap off the back end of your bike. So come on out and take a look at it, hear it for yourself. Thanks for watching.